Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to fix your card was declined on PayPal. So basically, if you see this error here, there are two reasons why this may be happening on your account with your credit card. So the first one is that you already added this card to another PayPal account and you can't use the same credit card on two different PayPal accounts. And the second one is that PayPal doesn't accept your credit card. I had this problem with the MasterCard card, but with a Visa one, so I've changed to a Visa one, and basically this fixed my problem. Now, if you want that MasterCard or Visa card, especially, what you can do is simply link by using your IBAN, your bank account IBAN to your PayPal. So you'll have to simply go to paypal.com and then simply click on add card or bank. And then here you'll have to simply click on link a bank account and then here enter the IBAN number. And basically when you try to withdraw money from your PayPal account to this bank account, you can use that credit card. So basically it will be transferred from PayPal to that credit card, even though you didn't link that credit card to your PayPal account. So this is the only way to fix this. So you either change your credit card, so you try with a Visa one, or you just link your bank account that it's linked to that credit card. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.